Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to run C++ program in Xcode. Let's open the Xcode and click on create a new project. After that, select the macOS. Inside the macOS, select the command line tool and click on next and give it a name. I will give it hello CPP project name, and here select the C++ and click on next and choose the location where you want to save your project. I will save on desktop. Just click on create and here you go. You will get this main.cpp file generated by Xcode, and now if you want to run this program, then you can run this using this play button, and you can use the short keys also, like command plus B to build the project, and that's it. My project is built successfully. Now to run, to see the output, you can hit this play button or just press the command plus R and you will get the output here. Here it is. This is our hello world. Let me write something else. On Xcode. That's it. Again hit command B to build and command R to run, and this is our output. And if you want to make a new file, then click here project panel and right click and select new empty file, or you can choose the new file from template also, and here select C++ file and click on next, and here you can see you can give any name, test.cpp. That's it. Also create a header file. It will create header file also, and select the location where you want to create and select this target, and that's it. You are getting this and this .h file and .cpp file. You can write your C++ code here and here, and you can include this header file here using #include, and header is test.cpp, test.hpp. That's it. And build the project and run the project. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like the video and share also, and comment in this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.